Hey guys, it's David from MD Bootstrap. Bootstrap Beta 2 has just been released. If you want to learn what has changed in the newest Bootstrap 5 Beta 2 and when to expect the stable version, stay with me. Okay guys, so as you can see, there are more than 240 tasks being done by amazing Bootstrap team who fix some issues, add some new features. So a lot of work done. Kudos to all the great team. And now let's quickly go through the most important changes. As I mentioned already in the previous videos, Bootstrap Beta is already very stable. So these changes are well, I would say rather minor changes. So there are some small issues being fixed, some documentation updates. As for the most important changes, what we can see is that now we have more drop-down options, or actually alignment options for drop-down. So there were some issues between Popper and Bootstrap going into conflict. Now that has been solved, so we can have this drop start, drop ends. So this is really amazing. And then what has finally changed? We have separate documentation for colors, for text colors, and for the background colors. I know it was confusing for a lot of us, so now it's clearly separated. So the background colors go to utilities background. And then furthermore, what we can see is that we Bootstrap team added this scrolling navbar. So if we have this navbar collapsed, we can have scroll over here. So this is also a nice feature. And yeah, I mean, basically these are the most important changes. I mean, obviously there are more, and we have some updates in forms. So remove vertical align from select, form validation mixing updates. There were some changes in buttons. So they added a variable for tightening and shading button state colors. Some changes for toast, like adding word break to the toast body. There has also been change in the bundles. So what they did, they added helpers to the utilities CSS bundle, some changes in the carousel, and so on and so on. But what is most important is that Bootstrap team has announced that the next beta, which is gonna be the third beta, might be promoted to the stable version. So this is really exciting news, guys, because Bootstrap 5 is gonna be a game changer. And if you haven't tried Bootstrap 5 yet, I strongly encourage you to check our video, our tutorial 1.5 hour crash course on Bootstrap 5, which is amazing. I'm telling you, this is really amazing stuff. So finger crossed for a quick release of Bootstrap 3 beta, and I really can't wait to see this being done, as this is gonna really change a web development world like it already did in the past. Thank you for watching, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check our other videos. We're gonna find a lot of interesting videos. We release 3 videos every week, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.